Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this short video I'll show you how to install WordPress on your new website. So first of all, you can see I just bought this website. This is my YouTube channel name. So I bought this website and a domain and a hosting, sorry. So what happens is when you buy a website, you need to first register that using a domain register like GoDaddy or any domain register that you like. And then to host this website on the internet, you need a web hosting. So this web hosting comes in different packages. So I just bought an advanced web hosting package so I can install WordPress and build a website on this. So when I try to visit this website, I'm getting this error for not 3 forbidden. That means there's nothing on the server that this domain can access and show you. So without further ado, let's get straight to the work. Alright, so I will first open my domain register and go to domains and click on manage domain. You will have this settings in your domain register where you can access all these settings, and go to DNS, and from here you have to change the name servers. So these name servers are given by your hosting. Let's say you bought hosting from GoDaddy or hosting or any hosting of your choice. They will give you the name servers and you have to link your domain to this name servers. So in my case, these are my name servers and I have updated them already. And please note this will take some time to update. And once that is updated, open your hosting provider, or you can directly open the cpanel. They will give you the cpanel access and log into your cpanel, and you have a lot of settings here. Just ignore all that and just scroll down to WordPress Manager by Softaculous. This is where you can install WordPress on the website, and click on install. And very carefully you'll have to make sure that you set a admin account, that is the admin username and the password. Let me set a password to this website. Please bear with me. Yeah, we have set admin account, and you can change the site name and the site description. Let me change this to my website, my YouTube channel name. And after that, if you want, you can change the language. If you want, you can select some plugins that you want to install with the installation. I'll select this one because this will help you. This will limit the login attempts, and you can explore some advanced options if you want, and you can also select a theme. And one more thing, if you want the installation details to your email, just enter your email here. I'll enter my email and then click on quick install. Just click on install. As you can see, the WordPress software has been successfully installed on our website, and you can either access the admin panel using this link over here, or you can directly open a new tab and go to enter your website /wp admin. This will take you to the same page, and log in using the username and the password that you set up while installing the WordPress. There you go, we have the dashboard of WordPress. From here you can edit and make all the changes to websites. For more useful videos like this, don't forget to check out my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.